Hi, Tracy here with Coco Essential Oils, continuing with our Chakra Mini-Series on essential oils for the chakras. Today we're going to talk about 3 essential oils for the throat chakra, and then we're going to make an essential oil blend, just a strong concentrated blend, and I'll show you some ways that you can use it. But just to kind of revisit what the chakras are for those of you that are just starting on the mini-series, the chakras are our energetic centers in our body. So we have our physical health, our emotional health, and then our energetic well-being. And our energetic well-being can affect our physical and emotional well-being. So there are several chakra energy centers throughout the body, but there's 7 main ones that we focus on. And the chakras are a 4,000-year-old Eastern Indian philosophy. So that's kind of where that comes from. But the throat chakra is located right in the center of the throat. It is our center for being, if you're unable to express emotions, pent up, unexpressed emotions, you're having a hard time communicating what your true feelings are, a lot of times your throat chakra can be blocked. It's also our higher center for creativity, like songwriting, tapping into the throat chakra for those really deep creative experiences. It would be a good energetic process. Some signs that maybe your throat chakra is closed would be a sore throat, swollen glands, gum problems. Those are just some physical signs that your throat chakra could be blocked, and maybe something to focus on. So 3 essential oils for the throat chakra are lemon, Roman chamomile, and German chamomile. We also have our throat chakra blend here for those of you that like to have a ready-made product. That is essential throat chakra essential oils in a jojoba oil base, so you can use it topically. So the lemon essential oil for the throat chakra helps promote the opening of the throat chakra, so that you can express your true self, you can express your feelings. And then Roman chamomile and German chamomile, they're very different oils actually. They're different genus and species of oils, but they both are great for Roman chamomile in particular for expressing your spiritual truth, your highest, deepest, truest truth. Roman chamomile supports that with the throat chakra, and German chamomile helps you express that high true self without anger and in a calm supportive way. Because a lot of times I know I've experienced this myself, when we're trying to express ourselves and we can't, and you have a hard time really saying what you want to say, it can manifest into anger. So, and then it comes out angry. I think we've all been there through that kind of experience. So those are the 3 essential oils for the throat chakra, and how I'm going to show you to use them today is to make an essential oil concentrated blend that you can use in your home diffusers, your car diffusers. I'm going to show you how you can use them on a chakra bracelet, or any lava bead bracelet for that matter. So to start, we're going to use a 5 milliliter amber glass bottle. You definitely want to use glass when you're making your own essential oil blends. Essential oils are very caustic, and it'll eat the plastic will interact with the essential oils. So make sure you have amber glass or a dark glass like cobalt blue glass or a dark green glass, those as well. So these little 5 milliliter bottles hold about 100 drops of essential oil. They come with a cap and what we call an orifice reducer. And the orifice reducer is how the essential oil comes out in 1 drop at a time. So the orifice reducer sits inside the cap, and then when we put our cap on, it just pops right in there. So it's really easy to do. So we're going to do, we're going to start with 15 drops of lemon. I'm doing about a half a bottle of an essential oil blend, but that's why I was telling you this holds about 100 drops. You can make it bigger if you want, or if you're not sure if you're going to like it or you want to have room to play with your blend, then do like a half bottle, then you have room to play, or see how you like it. So lemon essential oil, 15 drops. And you just put it, right straight in the bottle. Okay, there's our 15 drops lemon. Oops, that's not what I want. And then we're gonna do 10 drops of German chamomile. And German chamomile is blue, and it's blue because of the high chemazulene content. And last but not least, we're going to do 10 drops of Roman chamomile. Okay, and that's it. It auto mixes. You can give it a little shake after we put the cap on if you like. And then your cap, you just twist right on. They're a little tight. You'll hear a snap. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that means it's on. So, and then how I want to show you how to use it is with the lava bead bracelets. On our website, we have chakra bracelets with the 7 colors that are associated with the chakras. You'll notice here, this is the throat chakra, which is blue. So the German chamomile is a blue oil, so it just kind of emphasizes even more how it supports the throat chakra. But you put your bracelet on, and then you want to put a cotton ball underneath one of the beads, or the bead that you're going to put it on, so that you're not getting the essential oils straight on your skin, because they can cause skin irritation. So, and then you're also not wasting the oils that way, because you get all that oil on the cotton ball, which you can stick in a clothes drawer, stick under the seat of your car, stick on your desk at work. Those little cotton balls with that little bit of oil on there will last several days. And then you're just going to put I don't have any cotton balls, so I can't show you the cotton ball experience, but put a cotton ball underneath here, and then you just put 1 drop. Or 2 or 3. And then with your cotton ball underneath, let it kind of dry. Take your cotton ball out, or soak in, I should say, not dry, soak into the lava bead. And then as you're going throughout your day, if you have something that you really need to get out and express and tell somebody, you can keep taking long, deep breaths of your throat chakra blend on your wrist, or diffuse it at work, or diffuse it at home, or in your car, or something like that. So that is our Chakra Mini-Series video on 3 essential oils for the throat chakra today. We have 2 chakras left to cover in our mini-series, the third eye chakra and the crown chakra. So I will see you guys next time for the third eye crown chakra. Thanks for watching.